Hey guys, Robert Farrell here. Hey, if you are serious about earning this season on Black Friday, then guess what? You need to stop selling. You need to start engaging your customers. More importantly, you need to be better than the other person. Do you think for a second that you're going to post products on Facebook or Instagram and people are just going to flock to your website? No, it's not going to happen because you're selling. You have to stop selling. I want to give you the competitive edge. Okay? For those of you that don't know me, I've been doing software training since 1987. I've been in the online trenches since 1995. I'm here in New York City, the most competitive city in the whole world. I have over 57,000 students online that I've curated since 1995. Okay? If there's a better way to earn, let's get a better way to learn. So let me share something with you. Let me hide the camera for a second and share with you. So watch this. Well, I curated this amazing system I have over 55 different niche marketing website networks, meaning that each network has its own unique domain name. So you can basically pick from a library of over 14,000 domain names. So as an example, if I click right here, look at these beautiful sites. Where can you find a site like this? Okay. Now the back end is filled with all kinds of great stuff, but my sites are completely turnkey. Now, that maybe is a bad word to somebody. Oh, I don't want my site to look like everybody else. Well, your site's not going to look like everybody else. This is a starting point, okay? You can do whatever you want with the site because I've curated the best tools for WordPress. Thrive Architect, okay? SEO Yoast, Thirsty Affiliates. I've done all the research. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. So if you think this is a nonsense way to make money, then stop the video right now and let me know how that works out for you when you go to watch somebody else's snake oil. Okay, so let me share something with you. Look at these websites. So this website is called smartbuys.bestdealsonline.store. So you'll have access to this domain name and you can put a subdomain in there. I have 14,000 keyword-rich domain names. You're not going to find this anyplace else. Wix doesn't offer it. Webly doesn't offer it. Nobody else offers what I do because I've been in the trenches. I've made mistakes. Do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. I'm constantly learning new and better techniques. So watch this. We're going to find a website like this. Look, this is a mom-to-mom network site, WorkingSmartMoms. Great. Engaging videos. Now, these videos also, my websites also work well with mobile phones, et cetera, et cetera. Let's go to this. This is Halloween, okay? This is one of my students' websites here, okay? Scary deals for Halloween. Now, if you're not making money for Halloween, you've already missed that boat because that Halloween's in less than 2 weeks. Here's another site. So these are all the packages that you're going to get with my Black Friday deal, okay? Now, again, where do you get these videos from? Well, I use a company called Video Blocks. Now, Video Blocks, unfortunately, doesn't have an affiliate program. Don't ask me why, duh. But it's, it's cost effective. You have to invest into this. In fact, let me share something with you. If you're not willing to treat this as a business, you will fail. Let me repeat that again. If you're not willing to treat affiliate marketing as a business, you will fail. Why do most people fail? Because they give up. Oh, I tried something. Oh, I posted something on Facebook and I didn't get traffic or money, or no, it's a scam. No, it's not a scam. It's you have not worked smart with the right tools. I'm here to not only give you training, but I'm here to give you the tools to do this with. The same thing I do. Now, call me a little wacky, cuckoo, crazy. Okay, I own 609 websites. Now, it took me 2.5 years to build these websites. Okay, each website, here's something that's going to just screw up your head. Okay, each one of my 609 websites makes a minimum of $27. I just ran the numbers just 2 months ago. I haven't ran them since then. Each one of those websites makes a minimum of $27.69. 609 websites. Do the math on that. And if you think I'm full of shit, stop the video right now. Okay, it's all about numbers. For those of you that think it's impossible, in fact, I'm going to be brutally honest with you. I'm a lazy guy. I work 6 hours a week. I have students that actually kick my butt. I have students in Europe. I have students in British Columbia. I have students in Florida. In fact, I have a student that's 104 years old. Now, she only makes $2,000 a month, but she's 104 years old. Her first month, she made $35 back when she was 99. But I have students that make just under about, I can actually think about 7 students right now. One's in Thailand, one's in the UK, one's in Australia, a couple here in the States. But they make just short of, and you're going to think I'm totally full of shit here, They make just short of $200,000 a week doing affiliate marketing. Now, I don't even do that, okay? And these are my students. Now, to addendum that statement, like I said, I'm a lazy guy. I don't want to work that hard, okay? So they kick my butt, but they're spending hours and hours and hours doing this. Now, you don't have to spend hours and hours. So let's get back into this for a second. Okay, so look at this site. Okay, so each one of these sites, like here is a music website. So let me just refresh that for a second as it comes up. So these sites are mobile ready, they're turnkey, they have all the bells and whistles curated for you. You'd have to go out and spend a lot of money on, WordPress plugins to benefit from this. So how cool is this site? Okay, where are you going to find a good looking site? Turnkey. Most turnkey websites are just horrible. They're horrible. Now, when you go into the site, let me share something with you. So I'm going to go into the site here, and it's packed with back-end products. But here's what you're not going to see. You're not going to see sell, sell, sell. You're going to see engaging, like I want to listen to a Miles Davis video or whatever. So here's what you're not thinking about. Rather than post that product, so if you're in the coffee business, I don't want to post coffee online. I want to post a coffee recipe or a coffee maker review. That's how you work smart. So look at this. Here's another website. And again, this is all part of your package here. And you can pick whatever domain name you want. I have 14,000 of them. Okay. So this is a site called CookingSmart.onlinecooking.recipes. I can't tell you guys and gals and people from New Jersey, because that's where I'm from originally, of how engaging and how much traffic you can draw to a site with recipes. What does recipes have to do with Black Friday? Again, you're myopic. You're not thinking smart. You're thinking about sell, sell, sell. Yeah, we all want to sell the iPhone and the big screen TV, but let's be serious here, guys. Do you think it's easier to sell 10 people a week coffee, or do you think it's easier to sell 10 iPhones a week? Well, the answer is pretty simple. But here again is where you're not working smart. Okay? According to Amazon, Amazon says the average person spends $1,600 a year. So just because they bought that coffee from you, anything they buy from your site to Amazon, you're going to get paid for. So they could go buy that phone or that expensive pair of jeans, et cetera, et cetera. But here's something you're not thinking about. Okay, again, let's say that you had my package, my Black Friday package, comes with 12 websites, okay? Let's keep it simple. Let's keep the math simple. Let's say you had 10 niche marketing websites, okay? And let's say that you had 10 people a month. Again, I want to keep this really, really simple and not cuckoo crazy numbers and get rich quick and snake oil. So let's think about something. Let's say that you had 10 websites, okay? Using my curated system, point, click, drop, drag, done, finished, over. And each website, you sold 10 people a month coffee. Now, I got done saying by telling you that according to Amazon, the average person buys $1,600 a year worth of stuff on Amazon, whether it's iPhones or big screen TVs or jeans or baby food, whatever. So let's think about that. Let's be conservative here and break that number down to 1,000, from 1,600 to 1,000. Okay, you have 10 websites. You basically have 10 coffee people buy from you on your website, no matter what the niche, because it doesn't matter what the niche is. It could be fitness. Everybody drinks coffee, tea, snacks, beverages. So whatever, out of my 609 websites, by the way, I always put a link for coffee, tea, snacks, recipe. Again, working smart. You get this? So you got 10 websites, 10 customers on each. Okay, 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 12 is 1,200. Again, let's keep the math simple here. So at the end of the year, forget selling iPhones and big screen TVs and whatever expensive gear you can get online from Saks or Best Buy or whoever you're an affiliate with. Okay, again, let's keep it simple. That's how you make money, by baby stepping it. Okay. So you now have 1,000 customers that simply bought coffee from you. Now, because you're your Amazon customer, then you can curate and you can engage them to buy other things. Why wouldn't they? In fact, let me share something with you. Why the heck would somebody come to your website to buy when they can go to Amazon to buy? Huh? What's the answer to that? Well, the answer is you've taken the time to curate based on their niche. They don't want to go on Amazon. They want to buy a wedding present for their son-in-law. Okay, they want to spend the next 20 minutes, half hour, 2 hours searching the web? No. If you have a niche marketing site and they know who you are because they bought coffee from you, by the way, then they can go back and buy whatever they want. So I have bridal shop niches. I have, whatever. I have it. So let's get back to these numbers. So if you have 10 websites that you created 100 customers in the course of a year, okay, that's 1,000 customers. Okay, 10 times 100 is 1,000. Amazon says the average person spends $1,600. Again, Robert wants to be conservative. Let's break that down to 1,000. Okay. Now, what's 1,000 times 1,000? Without getting out your calculator, that's $1 million. Now, are you making $1 million? No. In fact, let's be really conservative and let's say just deal with the 10 coffee people a month that bought from me. Let's break that number down to 500. 500 people. The people on Amazon spend $500 a year, even though that Amazon says $1,600 a year. Again, I want to make this so simple. It's frighteningly simple. And this is how you work smart. So what's 500 times 1,000? That's $500,000 gross revenue. Amazon's going to pay you anywhere between 4 and 10%. Let's conservatively say 5%. Okay, what's 5% of $500,000? That's $25,000. That's over $2,000 a month. Can you use $2,000 a month? I think you probably can. Again, that's just working smart. And all you did was sell 10 people a month coffee. Okay, everything is possible, and it's simply about numbers. So if you're tired of the snake oil, you're tired of the bullshit, you're tired of the webinar value, $20,000 today only for $997. If you're going to go out and pay $1,000 for somebody's training program, you're a fool. You are a fool. Don't pay $1,000 for online training. Now, if somebody wants to come to your house and personally coach you, that's a different story. But it's not necessary. There's something called the internet. Okay, so don't go spending $1,000 for somebody to train you some nonsense, because how are they making money? They're making money off of selling you their bullshit $1,000 course. Okay, so that's not how it works. So I provide training too, but I provide the tools and the software and the hosting and everything you need to succeed. If you think I'm full of shit, then stop the video right now and let me know how that works out for you. Okay, I'm a very blunt person, but I'm also a very generous person, and I want to help you to work smart. I want to be your working smart coach. So check out my website. Again, I'm just going to go through a couple of these others before I go. Now, this is a Coffee News Network. Now, this is one of the most popular niches you're ever going to find, because what do most people, let me hide the camera so otherwise you can't see. What do most people search for on the internet? And don't let your mind go to the gutter. Most people search for news stories. And what do most people drink? Most people drink coffee. So I have a coffee news network, okay? And I have over 200 coffee-related niches, website, domain names, okay? So that's working smart. So once the person comes to your website for a news story, they can now be engaged with all kinds of other stuff that you want to present them, everything you want to sell them. So if I click here, look at this. Now, what does weight loss have to do with Black Friday? Well, guess what people are going to be doing after the holidays? New Year's resolution. Again, you're not working smart. You're not thinking about this stuff. This is what I do for a living, okay? Again, I've been living and breathing this stuff for years. Look at this site. This is really cool. It's one of my favorite sites, okay? But the back end has all the bells, all the whistles, all the tools, okay? Now, here's a cute little video. Oh, by the way, I just started recently doing this, so not all my sites have it right now, but I'm adding the privacy policy and cookie thing. So I'm doing everything I can to keep you guys out of trouble, because Amazon likes that, Facebook likes that, Google likes that. You need to be nice with people. Okay, here's a cute little Christmas website. So this is smartdeals.shop, Christmas.today. Where are you going to find holiday websites that have domain names? Again, completely turnkey. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Okay, but let me share something with you really, really valuably. Okay, look at this site, cool site. So I can click the privacy policy, I can okay, and then when I click here, this takes me right into the back end. Okay, so again, it's not about selling, it's about engaging people, and that's what you're not doing because you're not working smart, because you haven't been taught to work smart. Your lizard brain has said, oh, you got to go sell, sell, sell. No, people don't want to be sold, they want to be offered value. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, it's not snake oil, it's not get rich quick. It's basically, if I can be so candid. It's common sense marketing 101. Now, I'm going to be brutally honest with you on something. Did I make this up? Did I invent the software? No. All I did, I'm just a chef that has curated this great stew that everybody likes and everybody wants to taste. Did I grow the carrots? No. Did I raise the beef? No. I simply put everything together so you don't have to. Now, if you want to go out there and search the web and figure out how to do this and that, well, let me know how that works out for you. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. I have what works because it works for me. Like I said, 609 websites. Each website of mine earns $27.69 a day. Do the math on that. And if you think I'm full of shit, then don't watch my videos, okay? But if you want the opportunity, now am I saying to you, you're going to go out and make $100,000 anytime soon? No. You have to work at it. But here's what happens if you choose to do nothing. If you choose to do nothing, I assure you, nothing will happen. In fact, how much money do you think you can make for Black Friday if you don't have a Black Friday opportunity? You don't have a website. You don't have the tools. You don't have the training. Let me know how that works out for you. So for those of you that are still on the fence, Black Friday is less than a month away now, boys and girls, guys and gals, people from New Jersey. So if you want to work smart and you want to earn online, I have the resources, I have the tools, and I certainly have the time to help you get there. Talk to you soon.